Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this Thanksgiving dinner table so that all your Lego minifigures can celebrate Thanksgiving together. So now let's take everything apart so that I can show you how to build it. In 1x1s. That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2x4s and 1 4x10 flat piece. So now let's move everything aside so that we can start building. First, get your 4x10 and then get 4 sets of red, blue, and black 1x2s and stack them up like that. Now do it for each of those sets. So now that we have these pairs, let's get our piece and then put it on as our table legs. So plop them on each corner and you should get this. Next, we're gonna make a bunch of chairs. So place each of the corresponding color with it, of a 2x4 to its 1x1 counterpart, 1x2 counterpart, sorry. All right, now let's get blue one set up. Then the light gray one. Maybe let's switch out the pieces a little. That's better. And then let's get the lime one set up. So now you should have a bunch of these. Now get the rest of your 1x1 pieces and match it with the colored chair. So now we have our green chair done. We have our light gray chair done. We have our dark gray chair done. Our blue chair is done. And now, let's work on our lime chair. The lime chair looks like that. And now let's put them all next to each other. Put this chair right there. And we have our Thanksgiving table. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye! And also, post in the comments below. Did you find Steve? I'll see you next time. Bye!